Lawson, working on the 2002 Chevy Avalanche. So you guys probably saw in the last video, we did the rear end. Should be good, fingers crossed. The deal is though, I can't even test drive and break in the gears because one time we went to Autozone, maybe about a month back, and I don't know if you guys experienced this. I've seen a couple of videos. I'll show some videos obviously down below in the links that I've looked at. And you can pull it down on the column shifter and put it in whatever gear you want, but as soon as you try to go back up, it just goes up and down, and that's it. It's a done deal. You can keep going down, but once I try to pull it back up to go, like I say, from drive to park, it won't do it. For like the past month, I've been putting it in close to park when it would work, and then just putting on the parking brake. I thought maybe when I pulled down on the steering column, when I did the 3-inch body lift, that it messed something up. And I just never went back and fixed it because it still worked fine to me. It was no big deal. But the problem is now is that I got stuck at AutoZone, and luckily my wife knew somebody that was a mechanic. And this is a little tip for you guys too, and I'll show it in the video as well. But if you guys get stuck in the same situation where you go down in gear but you can't go back up, let's say you go into drive and try to go to reverse and it doesn't work, there's a cable underneath where the transmission is, and you can just pull on it. Be very, very careful though. I mean, I was kind of sketchy about it too, but I just went for it. But I put in the parking brake and I put it from drive into reverse, hopped back in, and it took off, and then I pulled it down to go into drive and went home. So anyways, it's done. So probably what happened and what it looks like and what we're gonna fix today is that when I did pull down the steering column, there's like a little solenoid or something, a little plastic piece in there. I'll show you guys when we get in there. I think it just jarred it loose and broke it. They break even after a while. Just, you know, it's almost a 20-year-old truck, so it's probably something was gonna happen eventually, right? So anyways, before we actually take the initial test drive on the new gears, the 488 rear gears, I gotta fix that so the column shifter will work. So, all right guys, so that's what we're gonna jump into today. Let's do it. All right guys, this right here, pull on this, and it'll put it into gear. This right here, it's right up connected to your transmission. So it should get you out of bind if you ever get into it next time. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about here. So see how it's put in park right now? I can pull it down any gear I want, right? As soon as I go up, look at that. Oh, went up one, but that's it. And this thing is maxed out right now. So like I said, I can go all the way down. Look at that, go to 1. Watch, probably won't even go up to 2. Nope, done deal. So yeah, that's what we're gonna work on today. So this is what I believe the issue is right here. So this is the part right here, this whole piece right here. All right, so like I said, if I move it, well, let me right now, but if you can see it right here, I think it's this piece right here that's breaking off. It's not holding still. when you shift it. So when you shift it, it ends up not be able to go up in gear. So something's wrong with that piece right there. So if you can see, it looks like it just kind of pops in right there. And the other end, it kind of pops in right there. So what they say usually is that like this piece usually gets worn out. It's plastic, right? So it's going to get old after a while. So I believe that's what the issue is. I'm going to take this out right here and replace it. And then we're going to see how it goes. All right, let's jump into it. So this is it. So I go down, right? Look at that. I'm in first. Boom. Second. Boom. Third. I think it's off a little bit. I think I need to like adjust it. All right, third. Let's see if we can focus. All right, now we're in drive. Okay, so we can go, that would be a park. So I probably need to go down a couple more. I'm not sure. Now we're in neutral. We're getting there, but it's going, guys. It wasn't doing that before, so I think that was it. I just got to get it like calibrated or something. I don't know how to do that exactly.